What's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy El Gordito. Today's a very special day. It's Jenny D's birthday, so we're gonna be making some Blackstone fajitas. But for right now, I'm gonna make some fried potatoes and onions because my kids wanted some fried potatoes and onions. So we're gonna do that before we make the fajitas. So stay tuned, and we're gonna get this cooked on. Wow! Ingredients right now are salted butter, a little bit of steak seasoning I like to put on there, a little bit of garlic powder, and this Stone Mill French fry seasoning makes it great. So that's what I'm working with. Looks like the Blackstone's ready to go. So be back. Stay tuned. We're gonna throw this on. Pow! All right. Welcome back. Here we go. Oh yeah, these potatoes are golden brown now. Perfect. Check them out here. See how they came out. All right. I'm gonna turn that down. Let's just get a piece here. Whew. Check it out. See that? Oh, I love that golden brownness and that combination of the potato and the onion, and then the steak seasoning, and of course you got your potato French fry salt. That you can buy all these ingredients at Aldi's. I'm also a big supporter of Aldi's. Fire! All right. Here come the fajitas, baby. Hold on, because here they're coming. Hold on. Be back, and 2 and 2, like the love connection. You know what I'm saying? Like the love connection, because I got my love connection with my Blackstone now. Ah! All right, welcome back. It's your boy, El Gordito, and it's fajita time. So I'm going to turn the camera around, and I'm going to show you the ingredients that I have. And this is how Mexicanos do our fajitas. This is Mexican style. So what I have here, check it out, is we're going to do chicken fajitas tonight. And I have a mixture of spices, chili powders, sea salt, pepper, garlic powder, and over here I have jalapenos, tomatoes, green peppers. You have to have tomatoes because the juices help incorporate all the other tastes from the acidic from the acids in the tomato. So we're gonna mix some of these together here, and we're gonna get to rolling. So stay tuned. All right. First thing we're gonna do here, got the grill on, got my stick of butter here. All right, I want to get this nice and buttery. Okay. Butter, and I'm going to set this over here for a little bit later. Okay, so we got a nice coating of butter. The grill's nice and hot. All right, now let's throw this fajita meat on there. Just like that. Like that. Got a lot of meat going on here. So this is going to be delicious. Now I also I've coated this. With some oil. So, all right, mix that up. All right, I'll be right back. Got most of the stuff going on here. This is why I need a bigger Blackstone, but you want to incorporate all the peppers, the jalapenos, the tomatoes, the yellow peppers, the sweet red peppers, the sweet orange peppers. You want to incorporate all them flavors while you're cooking them. You don't want to cook them separate because you want the meat to gain the flavor of all these different vegetables and stuff that we're throwing on here. So, see that there? All right, this is where we're at. That smells so good. All right, let's put this over here. Tomatoes fell down here. So, all right, I'm gonna turn the camera around so you guys can check it out. See what this looks here. You can see. Right there. Check it out. That's what I'm talking about. Okay. I'm still going to put a little bit more of my steak poultry seasoning. You can use it for either one. I got a little bit more garlic salt that I'm going to add. And that's about it. So we just got to wait for this to get done cooking. And we will be back. And remember, Blackstone products. All right. Everything I have is Blackstone, Blackstone, Blackstone. So, all right. All right. And 2 and 2. The fajitas are done. Look at this. Wow. All right, guys, let's check these out. All right, here they are. Jenny's birthday Blackstone fajitas. Let's go ahead and try a piece here. Let's see here. Right there. All right, let me see. Oh man, look at the fire. Pepper. Chingon. Chingon. All right, guys. Chicken fajitas on the Blackstone. They came out absolutely perfect. Matter of fact, there's no need for me to go anywhere and buy fajitas when I can do 110% better job right here on my very own Blackstone. By the way, the 36-incher, it's on the way. But anyway, just remember, lots of grape oil, walnut oil, vegetable oil, no olive oil on these Blackstones because they produce a lot of heat. So there you have it. All right, guys. Jenny's birthday Blackstone fajitas. Jen, what do you think?
We're good.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Okay. Tell everybody goodbye. Can you do my little All right, thing? Guys. Thanks for watching. No? Okay. It's been a great day cooking with you. Jenny's birthday Blackstone fajitas. This is El Gordito signing out. If you're new to my channel, Please hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell. That way you are notified when I do upload a video. And I really enjoyed doing this for you. I love my Blackstone. If you want to watch more Blackstone and learn more about Blackstone products, check out Leprechaun TV. I'll post his link in the bottom because that dude, that dude should be a representative for Blackstone because he's the reason that I'm Blackstoning. And my cousin Rob D is the reason that I'm YouTubing. So anyway, I'm out, man. I gotta eat these. Man. I can't. Look at that. Look at that. Peace and chicken grease. Later, y'all.